So we've started out with early design with these guys, looking at manufacturing components that aren't readily available at the moment. The energy warehouses are coming over from ESS, and so linking these batteries together, new technologies to link to the grid.
It is an important project for HiTech. It'll secure future work for us and also help us support the local community. It's an opportunity for us to provide jobs to young students and apprentices. We're hoping to partner with schools and training organisations to provide local job opportunities around the Gympie and Wide Bay region.
Yeah, so I think we're looking at new roles. We do work close with the high schools and the trade training centres, predominantly around Gympie. So currently we have apprentices and trainees, and we look at, it's very hard for these kids to get a good start, especially in the technology space, trade space, and we're looking forward to growing our business with these guys. So there's potential for 10 to 20, I believe, employees, and progression through starting out manufacturing and then build into a trade and other aspects of our business as well.